Benchmark indicators and key performance indicators are two measurements that help companies improve performance. You can set benchmarks and key performance indicators for individuals, departments, projects, or the company, and use them to measure everything from manufacturing production to employee performance. Though similar in some ways, benchmark indicators and key performance indicators are not the same thing. Benchmarks are goals to aim for. Other names for benchmarks include best practices and exemplary practices. Businesses choose benchmarks based on standards within their industry. For instance, you might look to peak performers in your industry and set their performance levels in areas such as manufacturing or marketing as your benchmarks, the levels you will strive to reach. Another use of the term benchmark is to indicate a baseline or starting point. In this use, you'd gather information to determine where you are right now and then set further goals building on that baseline or benchmark. Key performance indicators are specific measurements used to gauge performance. They're a way to precisely measure performance. For example, in manufacturing, a key performance indicator might be the production of a specific amount of product within a particular time. In sales, the number of new accounts might be a key performance indicator. Like benchmark indicators, performance indicators can be goals, but they're more like steps on the way to the larger goal. You also can think of key performance indicators to measure your progress towards the benchmark goal and to gauge how close you are to reaching that goal. Benchmarks and key performance indicators can motivate employees, giving them measurable goals to achieve. They can help you see how your company measures up to others in the industry. Benchmarks are one way to readily identify areas where you need to improve. Key performance indicators can help you in planning, and they're useful for evaluating employees.